friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is the top 7 health benefits of houseplants. Nothing adds more beauty and comfort to our homes and offices than the lush flowers and foliage of indoor plants, bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, cubicles. There really isn't a space houseplant can't live in. Just add light and water, and you have got a growing indoor oasis. Bringing plants into your home is aesthetically pleasing and amazingly. Plants can offer strong health benefits as well. Multiple studies have proven that indoor plants keep you healthier and happier, offering both psychological and physical health benefits that include number 1 improving your mood, number 2 reducing fatigue, number 3 lowering stress and anxiety, and number 4 improving office performance and focus, number 5 boosting healing and pain tolerance, number 6 minimizing the occurrence of headache by improving air quality, number 7 easing dry skin and respiratory ailment due to dry air. Many houseplants absorb toxic substances such as formaldehyde, benzene, and chloroethylene found in man made materials that are known to off gas pollutants into the air in your home, house, school, and office. In addition, a study done at Virginia Tech led researchers to conclude that houseplants can reduce indoor dust by up to 20%. Ineffective houseplants are efficient air cleaners. NASA has done extensive studies of the role of houseplants in cleansing the air, hoping to capitalize on these benefits for future space station. Their studies have shown that certain houseplants are exceptionally good at cleansing the air. NASA recommended having 15 to 18 houseplants for a 1800 square foot house. While not all of us have room for quite that many plants, even just a few can be effective. Indoor plants improve air quality in other ways as well. Plants release water vapor into the air, which increase humidity and which this can help improve respiratory and skin health by offsetting the drying effects of heating system. This can be an incredible benefit to those with respiratory issues, headache, and allergies. Plants also increase oxygen levels in the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen during photosynthesis. According to a Settle Times article, you can maximize your benefits by placing plants into your breathing zone within 6 to 8 square feet of your you normally sit or lie. Positive effects of this increased oxygenation can be improved our mood, energy, and mental focus. In fact, studies have found that when people are allowed to have indoor plants in their office space, their work performance improved. No wonder so many new tech offices are including indoor spaces of forests and tropical oases. Not only they beautiful, they also help to feel better for work. Humans have a strong connection to nature, and bringing nature into your immediate surroundings makes you calmer, more content, and as we have seen, more focused. Outdoor activities like forest bathing and nature walks are shown to improve levels of stress and anxiety, and living with indoor plants can do the same. There are studies going on now that are testing to see whether having plants nearby in a hospital room can actually help patients better manage their pain. Just having plants around you will obviously offer psychological benefits, but the act of caring for your plants can also help decrease stress and anxiety. So, next time you are watering your plants, slow down, take a few deep breaths, and really focus on what you are doing. Admire your plants' leaves and flowers, touch them, maybe even talk to them. It will help both you and your plants thrive. And don't worry if your house plants are not looking their best. That's where we were here. You can find indoor plant care tip on our on indoor plants resource page. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please share it with your friends and subscribe it first. Thank you.